Hello everybody. Hey, here's my latest piece. It's a peacock. I've made a peacock for ages, so I thought I'd make one. It's really impossible for me to talk about peacocks without also mentioning the aesthetic movement. I've got this wonderful catalogue, The Cult of Beauty, the aesthetic movement from 1860 to 1900. This catalogue contains the work of so many of my favourite artists like Walter Crane, Lord Leighton, Alma Tadema, the classicists. And as a child I thought that they were at odds with the Pre-Raphaelites, but basically they're the same coin, different sides, because whereas the classicists were looking back to the Parthenon and ancient Greece and making that the settings for their paintings, the Pre-Raphaelites basically thought that art had gone pear-shaped after Raphael, so they were looking back to the Renaissance. So there we are. The back of this book contains this plate by William de Morgan, who was a friend of William Morris, and you can see it's very much the inspiration for this piece. This is indebted to this. It's not a copy, but it's indebted. There's a great programme on Radio 4 at the moment about cultural influences, and these guys have certainly influenced me in my work. So here we are. Here's my art for art's sake, aesthetic, beautiful peacock.